Ever consider how long a plastic fork remains in the environment after being used? It can endure for hundreds of years even if we may only utilize it for a few minutes. That's why I'm here to introduce you a sustainable solution, biotensil. It is a cost-effective and sustainable solution derived from residue from food. In addition to helping us combat plastic pollution, these biodegradable utensils benefit the environment and the future generations. Specifically, we generate more than 300 million tons of plastic waste annually. The forks and spoons that come with your takeout are examples of single-use plastic, which make up around half of that. The majority of it ends up in ocean, landfills, or as general garbage on Earth. This material doesn't go away, and the harm keeps getting worse. Plastic doesn't biodegrade, it breaks into tiny pieces called microplastics. These end up in our soil, our water, and even our food. Right now, microplastics have been found in fish, drinking water, and even human blood. It's scary to think about the long term effects on our health and environment. The government is taking action. In 2021, the European Union prohibited single-use plastics, and other nations are doing the same, including Canada, India, and some areas of United States. Businesses are being forced to reconsider their strategy as a result, and there is an immediate demand for sustainable alternatives. Yes, it presents a challenge, but it also presents an opportunity for innovation. So here's the good news. Agricultural byproducts like rice husk, sugarcane bagasse, and potato starch are often thrown away. But these materials are strong, natural, and biodegradable. It is perfect for making eco-friendly utensils. Instead of letting these byproducts go to waste, we can turn them into something useful. Our approach is straightforward. We use food waste to make biodegradable plates, knives, spoon, and fork. These utensils are safe to use, compostable, and durable enough for any meal. They entirely decompose in 90 to 180 days, producing no waste. Businesses, customers, and the environment all benefits. I chose this material like rice husk because they're lightweight and strong. Potato starch works as natural binder, and sugarcane bagasse makes the utensils heat resistant. Together, they create durable, chemical-free products that return to the earth after use. No pollution, just nutrients for the soil. The process is straightforward. We source agricultural byproducts from farms and food industries, clean and process them, and then mold them into utensils using low-energy, eco-friendly methods. Think about this. Instead of burning rice husk or dumping sugarcane bagasse, we can turn these materials into useful products. This gives farmers and food processors an additional source of income while reducing waste. It's about creating a system where nothing is wasted and everything has value. If we replace just 10% of single-use plastic utensils with bio-based alternatives, we could prevent thousands of tons of plastic waste every year. That's fewer clogged landfills, cleaner ocean, and healthier ecosystems. This solution isn't just environmentally friendly, it's cost-effective too. Bioutensils uses materials that are already available and requires less energy to produce than plastics. As regulation tighten and consumer demand for sustainability grows, businesses adopting alternative like this will have a real competitive advantage. It's not just the environment that benefits. Farmers and food processors can earn extra income by supplying agricultural byproducts, turning what was once considered waste into a valuable resource. It's a win-win for people and the planet. This project supports global efforts like UN Sustainable Development Goals, specifically SDG 12 or Responsible Consumption and Production. By producing plastic waste and upcycling materials, we're taking real steps toward a more sustainable future. Scaling up production and educating people about this alternative are big challenges, but they're not impossible. We plan to tackle this by partnering with like-minded organizations, running awareness campaigns, and making sure our products are affordable and accessible for everyone. People are becoming more eco-conscious and they're looking for ways to make a difference. Our bio-based utensil is an easy way for customers to reduce waste. Imagine eating a meal and knowing the fork in your hand won't end up polluting the planet. Our vision is simple, a world where food waste isn't wasted, but transformed into something valuable. Think of single-use plastic replaced with sustainable alternatives that don't harm the planet, but instead nurture it. Picture every meal contributing to a cleaner, greener future where small, Thoughtful choices add up to create a massive positive impact. We've seen similar ideas succeed around the world. For example, sugarcane bagasse packaging is now a hit in food delivery in countries like India and Indonesia. This example proved that bio-based solutions work. Plastic utensils are harming our environment, but there's a better way. Bio-based cutlery is a simple, scalable solution that can make big difference. By supporting this project, we're taking a stand for a cleaner, healthier world for generations to come. It's time to take action and make sustainability a part of our everyday lives. By supporting eco-conscious businesses and choosing products that put the planet first, we can drive meaningful change. Imagine a future where bio-based cutlery becomes the standard, replacing harmful plastics and reducing waste, one meal at a time. Together, we hold the power to create this reality. Each choice we make, no matter how small, contributes to a larger global effort to protect our environment. Let's prove that our collective actions can lead to a cleaner, greener future. Change starts with us, and it starts today. Plastic pollution is a problem we all share, affecting our ecosystems, wildlife, and even our own health. But the solution to this crisis is start with each of us. Every decision we make, what we buy, how we consume, what we dispose of, plays a role in the bigger picture. By choosing eco-friendly alternatives like bio-based utensils, we can prioritize sustainability without sacrificing the convenience we rely on. So that's all for biotensils that support sustainability.